Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. What you're taking a look at here is the Maxpedition Beefy. I've done videos in the past on this, but I've since retired it. And originally I had it loaded up with tools I would potentially need on a daily basis. But I did go a different route with those tools, and it's laid empty ever since until I came up with this idea. And right now what it is my EDC maintenance kit. So on the back side you'll see the MOLLE webbing, you'll see a handle. On the front side it has the hook and loop and a mesh pocket that no one ever seems to use because it's just too tight to get things in and out of. I don't know if these are YKK zippers. I don't want to tell you one way or the other. I don't remember. But let's take a look what's on the inside. So on your left side, my right side, we'll start with the Hodo precision screwdriver. If you should happen to pick one of these up, make sure you wait until it goes on sale. It is an awesome little screwdriver. Typically they go on sale for half price, if not more. But it has a magnet that holds it in. Has all the bits you could possibly need in a precision screwdriver. Next to that is the CountyCom pen driver, and it has storage for another bit or two on the inside. And again, it has the magnet that holds the bit in. I have a cheap Walmart flashlight, and does the job. Two Sharpie pen markers, one fine tip, one regular tip, and a precision oiler for your pivots. It's an awesome little precision oiler. You just press the button and one drop comes out. All the links to these items I will put down in the description. And behind all that I have some precision tweezers. On my left side, your right side, I have the Hyper Tough precision screwdriver set. When working with knives, sometimes you need two screwdrivers. So we have that. And right here we have a mouse pad. It actually makes a perfect workspace. It's soft on one side, it's rubber on the other side, so it doesn't move. And the reason why you would need something like that is if you're working on a new watch and you need to take the links out, you don't want to put it down on a hard surface or a surface that's going to scratch the face. So this would work perfectly. And while we're on the subject of a new watch, the ones with the metal bands never fit properly, so you end up having to use one of these. This right here will pop the little pins out that hold the links in, and I have the little pin poppers. I don't know what you call them, but you put that in here and they'll pop them out. I suppose you could use a nail and a hammer, but on a nice new watch, why would you want to risk messing it up? So, and if you have an old watch, on the inside here, a lot of watches have a way that you need to have 3 contact points to open up the back to replace the battery, and this is a spanner wrench for watches. And you put it on the back, you get the right side, it adjusts this way and this way as well as this way, and you get the right point where it's going to lock into the back, and then you can turn the back. So this kit is mainly for watches and knives, but I do have a Gerber suspension in here just because you never know when you need a pair of needle nose pliers or a regular knife or any of the other tools on there. I also do have a regular set of needle nose pliers and some blue thread locker. So that is my EDC maintenance bag, and not very loaded out, but has, I think, all the right tools that I need. One thing that I may invest in, and that would be some plastic pry tools. You never know when you need a pry tool. So there you have it, my EDC maintenance kit inside my Maxpedition Beefy. As always, I hope everybody's having a great day. I thank everybody for watching, and oh, before I forget, I do have a 600 subscriber giveaway going on, and make sure you check that out. The only requirements I have is that you subscribe to the channel and you comment on the video. But so check that video out, and have a great day. Thank you.